set there. This is called the KEM. Wow. Tyre clearance. We'll see if it fits the 28s. We'll see if it fits the 28s. Hope it does. I like a 28 on here. Yeah, I reckon it might fit a 28. But yeah, nice. It's pretty standard sort of drop out there. Easy to replace. Lightweight. Internal cable routing. It's already got this built in. This is a nice finish. I like that. That's good. So that's the little head lurgle there. Anyway, we'll go and build this bad boy up and tell you what to think of it. And there we go, the finished product. Look at that. But the wheels coming soon, so that's pretty much ready to ride now. And I built it up myself. There we go. From box to baby.
Easy. It's gone too far. It's time to wipe the fake blood off that platinum plate.